Hello everyone. Our new topic is exponents. Suppose there is a term written this one. So the upper portion, the upper number will be considered as the exponent, or we say power, and the number at the bottom will be considered as its base. So we will read this as 2 raised to the power 3, which clearly says that 2 needs to be multiplied 3 times by itself. The expansion of 2 raised to the power 3 will be 2 into 2 into 2. The final answer is 8. Let us take one more example. 5 raised to the power 4. This will be 5 is to be multiplied 4 times by itself. That is 625. So generalizing these terms, we can say that a to the power x is being obtained by multiplying a up to x times, where x is the power and a is the base. So to solve exponential questions, we are having different laws. Let us deal them one by one. We are having the next topic as laws of exponents. The very first law. This is the law which is in regard with the case of multiplication where the bases are same. Suppose we are having the terms a to the power m into a to the power n, which says we are having the bases as same and a multiplication sign is there. So in the case of multiplication, when the bases are same, the powers are simply being added. That means, let us consider this with an example. Suppose 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 2, where the bases are same and the cases of multiplication. So what is to be done? We will add the given powers, that is 2 raised to the power 3 plus 2, which will be 2 raised to the power 5, that is equal to 32. Consider one more example. 1 by 2 to the power 2 into 1 by 2 to the power 1. Bases are same. Case of multiplication, what is to be done? We will add the powers, that is 1 by 2 to the power 3, and on further solving we are getting 1 by 8 as the answer. The second law is the case of division when the bases are same. That means a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n. So in this case, the powers are being subtracted. That means if the bases are same and the cases of division, we will subtract the powers. Let us understand this with an example. 2 raised to the power 3 into 2 raised to the power 2, not into, sorry, divided, that will be 2 raised to the power 3 minus 2. The case of division, bases are same, powers are going to be subtracted. So the final answer is 2 to the power 1, that is equal to 2. The third law is the power to the power is being multiplied of any base. If we are having the power and its power, it is to be multiplied. That is a raised to the power m and this is raised to the power n. We will write a raised to the power m into n. For example, 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 3, that is 2 raised to the power 2 into 3, which will be 2 raised to the power 6, that is equal to 64. The fourth law is of the case of power as a negative form, that is a raised to the power minus x. We will write the reciprocal of the given base and the power will be written in its positive form. For example, suppose it has been written 2 raised to the power minus 3. So this will be 1 by 2 raised to the power 3. Now to solve this, we will write this as 1 by 8. In the past 2 questions, I had directly written this solution. There is one law, or you can say a simple type of law which says that power is distributive over division and multiplication both. That is, a by b to the power m will be written as a to the power m upon b to the power n, and a into b to the power m will be equal to a to the power m into b to the power n. So with the help of these laws, these types of questions are being solved. The next and the most important law is if any power, if the power is 0, that is law number 5, if we are having the power of any base as 0, the answer is equal to 1. What does it mean? Any base. Let us suppose 2 to the power 0, the answer will be equal to 1. Any base with power 0, the answer will be 1 only. Let us understand this, how it comes to be 1 as, suppose a to the power m needs to be divided by a to the power m. What does this mean? Bases are same, so power will be subtracted because it is a case of division only. So a to the power m minus m, that is a to the power 0. Or we can deal this question in another format. A to the power m divided by a to the power m gives you a to the power m upon a to the power m. Now these two will be cancelled out and the answer is 1. So in these two equations, we can easily see that the LHS of both the equations are same, so their RHS will be same. That is a to the power 0 is equal to 1. Recap of the laws of exponents, which was when the bases are same, the powers are added in the case of multiplication. That is, a to the power m into a to the power n yields a to the power m plus n. The second law says the powers are subtracted in the case of division when the bases are same. That is, a to the power m when divided by a to the power n gives a to the power m minus n. The third law says that power to the power is being multiplied. That is, a to the power m to the power n gives you a to the power m into n. Next is, if we are having a negative power and we are required to convert it into positive, the base must be written in its reciprocal form. Then the power will be written in its positive form. That is, a to the power minus x gives you 1 by a to the power x. After that, the distributive property of these exponents, that is, the exponents are distributive over multiplication and division. That is, a to the power a into b to the power m gives you a to the power m into b to the power m. Case of division, the exponents are also distributive in it. A to the power m divided by a to the power b to the power m. And the last one, any base with power 0 gives 1 as the final answer. So these are the 7 laws of exponents which are required to be understood.